Attention please. The 0702 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Hello there. I know this video was not exactly high quality. I just wanted to post a bit more frequently and a bit more about SCR. Have a good day, and I will hopefully see you soon.